Hey everybody. Okay, so it's about time. I wanted to tell you guys about this wonderful company called Fruits and Roots. I ordered from them before and I got my order on time. I ordered soursop. It was so good, so juicy. But this time I decided to order Neeseberry and Julie Mango. Okay, so let me tell you why this is such a big deal that I'm doing this video. I'm doing it because of the customer service. So what happens, every time I look online, I always see people saying negative things when it comes to customer service. Not just them, I'm just saying in general. People always have something negative to say, but they don't have anything positive to say. So what had happened was, I ordered this. About a week ago. I received a tracking number and it said that it was shipped, but I never received it, okay? Here's the thing, I sent a message to whoever. They followed back up with me and said, you know what, we see that you didn't receive it. We apologize and we're gonna make good on our order. So they shipped me out another order. Shout out to Fruits and Roots. Now granted, yes, it's what they were supposed to do, but their follow-up was on point. They didn't have to follow up with me that quickly and they didn't have to ship it out that quickly because it wasn't their fault. It was actually, I think it's FedEx's fault. They're the ones who contacted me after. So, I just wanted to show you what we are working with. Okay, so you guys, I don't know if you've ever seen a Julie Mango. Yo! Look at this. Look at it. Will you look at this?
Look at this.
This thing is huge. I'm not gonna make mango juice with this. I'm not. I'm going to eat all of the mango meat. See, here's the thing. You all talk about vegans and say, well, you all don't eat meat.
We eat mango meat.
I'm just saying. Hold on. Let me see the Neeseberry. Okay, here's the thing. I've never had one of these before, but it honestly looks like a potato. I don't think it tastes like a potato. This is what my husband wanted, and he wanted to have me try it. So I'm really excited to try this. So I promise you guys, I will let you know how great the mango meat is, but I'm not gonna be eating it today because it's not completely ripe. You can tell that it fell off the tree, but it is not 100% ready for me to eat right at this juncture. So again, shout out to Fruits and Roots.
2 days later.
So I have been waiting to try this fruit. Okay, really, honestly, I've been waiting to try the mangoes because I wanted to make sure that they were perfectly ripe. I did try the Neeseberry, and to me, it tastes like ice cream. It was really good. My husband does not believe it tastes like ice cream. He's like, it tastes like a little piece of heaven. Me, ice cream. Anyway, I digress. I'm ready to try what I ordered. Mango. Julie mangoes to be exact. So my husband says that they're not like the average mango that you taste in the grocery store here in the US. So wow. It's juicier. It's sweeter, but not sweet that makes your teeth hurt. Sweet like a burst of juice just took over my mouth. I don't know how to describe it, but I know that it is something that I want over and over and over again. So I'm gonna finish eating this and I hope you all try Fruits and Roots.
Previously.
Listen, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you make time to veg out and dine. Do you have a vegan product that you'd like me to try? Just email me at asampe@vegoutandDine.com. Bye.